Book 104, The Magical Art of Japanese Decluttering. In a small village in Japan, there lived a young boy named Kaito. Kaito loved playing with his toys, but he hated cleaning up after himself. His room was always a mess, with toys and clothes scattered all over the floor. One day, Kaito's grandmother, Oba-chan, came to visit. She saw the state of Kaito's room and said, "Kaito, my dear, a cluttered room is a cluttered mind." Oba-chan taught Kaito the Japanese art of decluttering, also known as tidying up. She showed him how to sort his toys and clothes into categories and how to put away each item in its designated place. Kaito was fascinated by the way Oba-chan made cleaning look so easy and fun. He decided to give it a try. Kaito started by picking up one toy at a time. He dusted it, polished it, and put it away in its special place. As he worked, he felt a sense of calm and focus wash over him. The more he tidied, the more he felt his mind clear. He began to see the world in a new light, and his room started to transform before his eyes. As Kaito continued to tidy, he discovered the joy of letting go. He realized that he didn't need all his old toys and clothes, and that getting rid of them made him feel lighter and freer. Oba-chan smiled and said, "Ah, Kaito, you're learning the art of hanto, or letting go. It is a powerful tool for a happy and peaceful life." Kaito's room was now sparkling clean, and he felt proud of himself. But Oba-chan wasn't finished yet. She taught him how to maintain his space, how to put things back in their place after use, and how to make cleaning a part of his daily routine. Kaito learned that tidying up wasn't just about cleaning. It was about creating a sense of harmony and balance in his life. As the days went by, Kaito noticed that his tidy room was having a positive impact on his life. He was sleeping better, concentrating better in school, and feeling more confident and focused. He realized that the Japanese art of decluttering was not just about cleaning, but about creating a sense of inner peace and happiness. Kaito's friends were amazed by the transformation in his room and his attitude. They asked him to teach them the secrets of Japanese decluttering, and soon the whole village was tidying up and feeling the benefits of a clutter-free life. Kaito smiled, knowing that he had learned a valuable lesson from his Oba-chan and that he would carry it with him for the rest of his life.